Mr. President, esteemed colleagues, I rise today to co-sponsor Senate Concurrent Resolution number 21, urging the President to establish a cabinet cluster for education to ensure the cohesive and coherent implementation of education laws, policies, reforms, and regulations across all relevant government agencies. Mr. President, I forget what Congress it was, but the years 2013 to 2016, I was the chairperson of the Committee on Education. And at that time, there was only one Committee on Education in the Senate. And therefore, I had the privilege to discuss both, to study, to chair, to discuss both issues affecting basic education and higher education. It was in the next Congress that this was then changed into two different committees, higher education and basic education. And I had then manifested my objection to this, not because of the chairpersons who would be chairing it, but because I believe that the issue of education should be taken up under one committee. I was very much aware of this issue on trifocalization, which is in effect creates a situation where there is very little discussion, very little collaboration between the agencies that are in charge of education. So I'm very happy with this move, Mr. President. We live in a country where education is enshrined in our Constitution and it is given topmost priority. However, we have different agencies implementing the decisions, implementing administrative functions, and making very important decisions. Thus, it is imperative that the mechanism for governance reflect unity of purpose, efficiency and execution, and a forward-looking strategy that aligns educational outcome with demands of a rapidly evolving workforce and society. This proposal to have a cabinet cluster that will focus on the structure and coordinate efforts among the departments of education, Commission on Higher Education and Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, otherwise known as TESDA, and other relevant agencies is of extreme importance. Through this initiative, we envision a government that speaks with one voice on matters of education, one that is better positioned to formulate, implement, and monitor a long-term integrated national education and workforce development plan. Moreover, this resolution recognizes the challenges confronting our education system, from basic literacy gaps and teacher shortage to skill mismatch and digital divide, which cannot be addressed in silos. A multi-sectoral, interagency, and holistic approach is essential to produce lifelong learners and a globally competitive workforce. As someone who has long championed education, youth empowerment, and innovation, I firmly believe that this measure reflects a bold and necessary step forward if we are to raise the quality of education and ensure that it truly serves our national development goals. We must break down institutional barriers and foster a culture of collaboration at the highest level of governance. I thank and commend the authors of this resolution. I am proud to express my full support. Thank you, Mr. President.